think of the sheep, Freddie? Coming outside our back gate. Little field. This is amazing for us because, of course, we live in the city. Oh, look at the little lambs gambolling up on the mound. That is so cute. And we're all fenced in, so plenty of room for Fred to You're watching them, Freddie. Cute, aren't they? It's a converted barn that we're in, and up in that window there I can sit up in the window and do some crafting. It's absolutely lovely. Here I am, sat in the window. Freddie's downstairs because he's just so worn out from being out today. This is my little window seat where I sit, and I've got my little bag with me. I've got some, what have I got? I have got some crochet. Where's my crochet? Oh, crochet's here. Got some crochet, and I've got magazine ready to do some cutting and sticking with Beth later on. I've got my glue stick, and then I brought my Japanese journal that Donna Mattei made for me, and I'm sticking pictures. I had quite a lot to stick in, so yes, I'm just having a very relaxing time. The sheep have gone from the fields now. They've moved on. Beautiful wisteria growing round the doors. The cottages. Here's the high street. This is Burford. This is a whole shop, and it just sells brushes. Oh, hedgehogs. I don't know what those are. Brushes.
No, that's not a brush.
That's not a brush. That's
a toast holder.
Yeah. Who would believe a whole shop that sells brushes? Oh, that's a pot pan. A pot brush. That's amazing. Beautiful old cottages in the Cotswolds stone. Goes uphill. There's the cottages. All the way down Little High Street. Falls south with some sea lantern and some clematis. Oh, you can see Freddie out there. At Porton on the Water. Beautiful little bridges and some more of the Cotswold stone here.